Good morning, everyone. This Fish Happens again. We're going to go do another fishing challenge. This one's going to be a mystery box challenge that I get from Academy. Stay tuned and enjoy. Alright guys, we're here at Academy. Let's go get this box and get this going. Okay, I appreciate it.
I'll be here for you.
Yes, sir. So right there's what we've got. Let's do a quick unboxing on it real quick. Let me see if I can get my knife out. Okay, let's set y'all down. Do this the smart way. There we go. All right. Let's see, what do we have in here? All right, let's see. $10 gift certificate. Okay. Trouble guards, headlamp, some of those things. So there's some weights, so there's at least something. Hey, there's a rod sleeve, I'm not mad at that. There's a electric scale, some culprit baits, 10-inch worm. Alright, well, it seems that right there's the only tackle that I got in there, so let's put it all back in here and oh heck, why not? Let's do this. Alright, so let's there we go. Alright, so just because why not? So let's see, we got a LED headlamp that comes with batteries. Let's see if it's any good. That's actually not bad. Not terrible. Not great by any means, but not terrible. And because I've got a little head, I know the joke's coming, whatever. Alright, there we go. Yep, little headlamp. Anyways, so there's that. We've got these treble guards. I'm assuming you pop them over treble hooks. That makes sense to me. We've got the rod sock, which I'm going to end up using that today most likely. We've got an electric scale. Let's see. just from looking at it, I feel like this is probably going to be pretty cheeks. We'll see. Oh, solid. Only measures kilograms. Alright, well, let's see. How many kilograms is this Red Bull? 0.585 kilograms. I have no idea if that's accurate or not, but alrighty. Well, I wonder if there's a way to... Here we go. Alrighty. Oh, hey. There's pounds. Alright. So let's see. 1.28 pounds. I can see that being somewhat accurate. Alright. I've got a scale. If I catch one, I'll use this one today. Why not? And what in the world is this? I have no idea what in the world this is. Does it tell you what all's in here? No. Well. Okay. Alright, I have no idea what this is. If I had to take a guess, you could probably use it to put your rods and stuff together, hold them together, what have you, I don't know. I'm not even gonna act like I know. But alrighty, let's see if we can find somewhere to go fishing and see what we can catch out of that.